Welcome soldieringhammer.com and all my high-speed forums I belong to. Little hands tutorial. You like my hands here? Alright, this is going to be a fast multi-part tutorial on how to make our version of the arc reactor for Iron Man. First part 1, is going to be a list of items that I can think of off the top of my head that I'm going to need. If I need something else later on, I will add it. I'll revise, re-update. So what we need right now is we need these clear shower curtain rings. We only need one, but they come in a pack of 12. So you can find $2 at Walmart. If you can find other clear rings, you can use those as well. The most important part is you're going to need one of these Sylvania Do It dimmable switches. You'll see it takes 3 batteries in the back, like 3 AAA batteries in the back, and so we got that. Glue gun, mitt with glue sticks. Okay. You will need some type of copper wire, some type of wiring to go around your ring. Some super glue. We have gel and we have regular. You will need a dimmer or a dip switch, some type of little toggle switch, because this is a push button switch. Well, when you're done with it all, you'll be not doing a push button anymore. Let's see, some tin foil. You'll need some tin foil. Some multi-purpose tools. You don't know, those pliers, little wire cutters, a little Phillip head, and a flathead screwdriver. And I will be right back because there are some other items you need that I do not have out here. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the other odd little items that I needed. One is this hanger tape. It's galvanized steel hanger tape. It's like 25 foot, it's like $5, but there's no way in the world I need this much. But like, on the bright side though, with supplies like this and this wire, things like that, you can use over and over again for multiple arc reactors. Okay. Now
that we pull wire apart for everything.
Yeah, I use a lot of stuff for everything. And you'll need this little tub spout ring. Okay, chrome one preferably. And also I did get this big old light switch here, which we're going to turn into an arc reactor itself. No, not really. But what I'm going to use it for is, I might use it to, the LED lights, there's 3 of them, and they're like pinpoint. I want to disperse the light throughout the arc reactor. So if my hot glue method doesn't work to disperse the light, then I have this to help disperse the light. So, and last but not least, you will definitely need your Marvel Heroes sour straws. Okay, that's a must. And Mountain Dew, which I don't have out here with me right now. So let me get started. When I do little things at a time, I will come back on. I'll explain what I did, and how to do it. So until then, this is the end of part 1. Okay, I'm back with part 2. Part 2 here, I wanted to make a small addition for you. Most of this stuff here can be bought at Home Depot, and it can also be bought at Walmart, and also Hobby Lobby. Bought was a few small items. What we got also is we had to add a Dremel to this, and I wasn't expecting to, but we did. And here's what happened. All right, we opened up. We got our little piece right here. Okay, you fasten it. Okay, I'm gonna Dremel this tiny little bit. I know it's hard to see for that, but it's not fully round right here. And then I'm going to put some hot glue around that to fill it in, to make it a solid ring. And then some wire is going to go there. Okay? And then you're going to wire, whatever. Okay? So that's too easy right there. This right here, this, what's it called? It was the tub spout ring. Is freaking sweet. You're going to take your Sylvania Do It Yourself, Do It, whatever the hell it's called, light, and you're going to pop the back off. Okay? And you see here your 3 battery compartments, right? If you stick a small device, flat tip screwdriver, Phillips, doesn't matter, and poke it into one of these holes. These holes are not screws, okay? It's just clipped together. So all you need to do is push it in one and push down pretty hard, and the opposite side pops up like this. Okay, so it's popping out. Grab it and you just take it out. This just comes off completely. Okay? Now you have your 3 LEDs and your little pressure switch inside there. I'm going to try to rig this one. We'll see if it works to where you're not going to need a toggle switch, but I'm going to have one on hand just in case. Okay, I'll keep you posted on that. The way this device works is you have your 3 holes and you have your chrome lighting or chrome fixture, and you got 3 tiny little holes which mount to the little brackets. One here, and one here. And the way it works, this whole thing presses down and hits that toggle switch. What I had to do is these 3 little spots here, they're rounded. So I had to take my tiny little Dremel here and Dremel in on these 3 tiny rings. One here, and one here. Just enough that you reduce the sides. The reason I had to do that is because when I take this ring here and I put it over before, they were rubbing against and this wouldn't sit perfectly on. So now it sits and moves freely, which allows me to still push the centerpiece up and down. Okay, so that's method there. What else I plan on doing next is taking this centerpiece, this clear cap, which covered this right here, and I'm going to do one of 2 things. I'm going to attempt to fill it with hot glue first, which should diffuse the lights and spread the lights outward. If that doesn't work, then I'm just going to cut a small piece of this and put that on instead. So, I think that's pretty much it for my updates. So stay tuned. Okay, and here we go with part 3, another small little update for you. The wire that we were using, what I did is I cut a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces approximately that long. Don't ask me approximately how long that is.
Let me see it. 8 inches.
8 inches?
7.
6 to 8 inches, okay? And what I'm doing is, you can see I already got 7 of these done already. These are very simple to do if you get the proper wire. All you do is you put it on, you bend the first piece, and then you just wrap it. And this wire I have is very, very pliable. So, and then once
Jewelry wire.
yeah, jewelry wire,
Aluminum.
colored aluminum, yeah, to look like brass. Okay, and then you just keep following around. Just wrap it and wrap it, and to get your ends nice and snug, you just take your nose pliers and you crimp down that last little bit. Okay, just like so. And open up, open sesame, bend down a little bit. There you go. Now speaking of wrap, that's a wrap. You can see this one here has some hot glue underneath it. I followed it down a little bit. It's very hard to tell from a distance which one it is. So there's your ring. And so far what we're looking at is pretty much that will sit right there like that. Actually, this will go on first, and this will go on top. And it's sitting, that's that. This piece will be in the center. So the arc reactor is coming along. Our makeshift arc reactor is coming along very well. Alright, stay tuned. I'm going to eat my steak real quick, and I'll be back.